Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you know expect? If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out our videos. Today we are going to explore Church of Holy Sepulchre in Jerusalem, Israel. Welcome to a captivating exploration of the Church of Holy Sepulchre in the heart of Jerusalem, Israel. This remarkable place holds stories that have echoed through centuries, drawing people from all corners of the world. Our journey begins at a crossroad of faith. Christian believes that within this sacred wall, pivotal events in the life of Jesus unfolded. It is believed to be a place of his crucifixion, burial, and resurrection. This church is a living connection to the most profound moment of Christian history. As we venture into a architectural wonder of church, marvel at its unique blend of Romance, Gothic, and Byzantine style. The exterior is a mosaic of history, and the interior holds intricate mosaic and beautifully crafted chapels. Notably, the stone of unction and the edicule are revered as a symbol of the preparation of Jesus for the burial and the location of the Holy Sepulchre. The Church of Holy Sepulchre is not merely a structure, it is a crossroad of a diverse believers. Pilgrims from various Christian denominations converge here, praying in different languages, creating a harmonious tapestry of devotion. It is a testament to the universal appeal of this sacred site. From the times of the Ottoman Empire to the present day, it has stood witness to conflict and undergone period of restoration. The challenge it faced only strengthened its resilience. Today, custodianship is shared among different Christian communities, showcasing unity in preserving this historical and spiritual. As we explore further, the church reveals itself not just a historical landmark, but as a vibrant community of believers, families, tourists, and devout worshippers coexist within its wall, creating an atmosphere that transcends mere architecture. It is a living testament to the enduring power of faith to bring people. Take a moment to witness the reflections of devotion. People deep in a prayer, lighting candles, and sharing the collective experience of a faith. The church become a canvas for the personal and shared spiritual journey, a place where believers connect with something greater than themselves. Our extensive exploration of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre concludes, but the echoes of its stories and the resonance of the prayers within its hallowed hall lingers on. This place is not just a destination, it is a pilgrimage through a time and faith, a mosaic of history and devotion that continues to captivate hearts from around the world.